Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to use the Redirect Blocker Chrome extension. This extension helps block unwanted website redirects and keep your browsing experience safer and smoother. So let's get started. So firstly, open Google Chrome, then visit Chrome Web Store. Now I will search for Redirect Blocker. Click on the extension, then add to Chrome, then add extension. Once the extension is installed, click on the puzzle icon and mark it as pin. Now open any website. That usually redirect automatically. Here we'll see the website will be opening. Now click on the extension and here you will see turn on current tab or all tab. It will block all the extension redirects. If you turn it off, then refresh the website, it will redirect automatically. So once you turn on, it will be blocked redirect successfully. So this is how you can use Redirect Blocker Chrome extension easily. It is a useful tool for a cleaner and safer browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy extension tutorials. Thanks for watching.